Hi there, it's Diane Forster, and I want to invite you to a very special experience here in my home in San Diego, California, for a one-day workshop called Eliminate Your Limiting Beliefs. So what are your limiting beliefs? Those mental blocks and negative self-talk that you have going on in your mind that is literally paralyzing you in so many areas of your life. Here's what I know about them, and now you can know this too. Number one, they're not your fault. They're not your fault. Number two, they've been programmed in you since birth. This is when they start happening. By the time we're 8 years old, 85% of them are anchored there. Isn't that fascinating? But here's the other thing that I know about them, and now you will know. They won't go away on their own. They won't. So what we're going to do in this one-day workshop is we are going to illuminate them. We're going to find out which ones are blocking you where from having all the love, money, success, and happiness that you truly want in your life. And once you see how easy it is to eliminate them and remove them, once you know what they are and where they came from, you're going to shift like that, and your whole life is going to turn around. I promise you, this is going to be such a transformational event. We've done this here before, and we're doing it again because it's such a powerful experience. So if you want to experience true, divine, intimate love in your life, if you want to have more money and clients and business than you know what to do with, if you want to feel good in your body and feel excited, charged and motivated each and every day of your life, then this is the event for you. Here's what I also know. I'm committed to doing this for you. You've got to say yes to you. Step up and do this for yourself. You go to the doctor every year for a physical. You get your teeth cleaned every year. You would never neglect your physical body, but everything starts in the mind. It's all in the mindset. So it's so important for us to do mindset work. So that's what I'm offering to you here today. Now, this is limited to only 12 people, so it's very exclusive. You have to act quickly before the event fills up. So I'm going to put a link here for you to get in right away. I can't wait to see your breakthroughs. You're going to be so thrilled that you did this. You're going to just love the transformations and the breakthroughs. I'll see you at the event. Take care. Bye-bye.